Start off by applying a base coat to your natural nails to protect them. Use a white nail polish to be your base for the rest of the manicure. Here I'm applying one coat, then I'll be adding another coat. Now here's the fun part, it's the watercolor part, or should I say faux watercolor. Instead of using actual watercolors, I'm using acrylic paints that I've diluted with water. I'm using one of my cleanup brushes dipped into this paint water to gently apply it onto the nail, as if I was watercoloring on normal watercolor paper. I chose the colors pink, blue, and purple for this manicure because they flow together very nicely. Also, let's not talk about how bad my cuticles look. Moving on to my other fingers, I'm using the same colors to produce similar patterns. Using a dotting tool and black acrylic paint, I'm going to add a dot to every nail. Now add a top coat to seal in your design so it can last longer. As another finishing touch, I'm adding a silver dot right underneath the black dot on all of the nails. I hope you like this design, and I will see you soon.